What if I told you that people are using ChatGPT, yes, this AI chatbot, to make real money every single day? From students and stay-at-home parents to side hustlers and freelancers, ChatGPT is becoming a personal assistant, writing tool, business partner, all in one. And guess what? You don't need to be a tech expert, coder, or even an entrepreneur to start. All you need is a smartphone or laptop, some time, and the right strategy. In this video, I'll show you 5 real ways to make money with ChatGPT in 2025, even if you're starting from scratch. Stick with me to the end because the last one could literally run on autopilot. First up, freelance writing with AI help. Go to freelancing sites like Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour. Create a gig offering blog posts, product descriptions, or email copy. Then use ChatGPT to write drafts. Prompt it like, write a 500-word blog post on the benefits of organic skincare in a friendly tone. You edit slightly, polish the formatting, and deliver to your client. You keep the majority of the pay, while ChatGPT saves you hours of work. Tip niche down. Offer tech product reviews or Amazon SEO descriptions. Clients love specifics. Second, create and sell eBooks. ChatGPT can help you outline, write, and format short eBooks. Choose a trending topic, for example, Beginner's Guide to Investing in Africa, or a 10-day keto meal plan. Use ChatGPT to generate chapters, fill in the content, and organize it. Then go to Canva and design a simple ebook cover. List it on Payhip, Gumroad, or Amazon KDP, and promote it via Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. Set up once. Earn passively. Third, YouTube scriptwriter for faceless channels. There's a growing demand for YouTube scripts, especially for faceless channels. Use ChatGPT to generate scripts for tech reviews, top 10 facts, or finance breakdowns. Then sell the scripts on platforms like Fiverr or create your own faceless channel. You can also pair ChatGPT with InVideo to create the entire video, no camera needed. Fourth, affiliate marketing using AI content. Ask ChatGPT to create blog articles, product reviews, or social media captions for a specific product. Use prompts like, write a 1,000-word blog post reviewing Grammarly for university students. Then embed your affiliate link in the blog or video description. Post the content on Medium, your blog, or YouTube, and let search traffic bring in clicks and commissions. And fifth, launch a ChatGPT-powered service. If you're tech-savvy, you can build a chatbot service using ChatGPT API. For example, AI-powered resume reviewer, ChatGPT-driven language tutor, or a mental wellness journaling tool. You don't have to code everything. Use tools like Typeform plus Zapier plus GPT API to build basic flows. Charge users for access or integrate payment models. AI isn't replacing jobs, it's replacing those who don't use it. Start small, test what works, and scale from there. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Like this video if it helped you. And subscribe if you want more step-by-step AI money-making tutorials just like this.